Hello, I'm Abhishek, and the topic of today's video is how can we enhance our memory power? How can we remember a thing for a longer period of time? So, first of all, I want to tell you there are two types of the memory: short-term memory and the long-term memory. So if you want to make an information the part of the long term memory, so there is a method, there is a formula which I want to give you in this video, in this very short video. So if you want to make an information, if you want to remember something for a longer period of time, so there is a formula, and it is information. If you combine the information with your emotion and interest, if you take deep interest in some information, if you find something very interesting and you listen them, that will ultimately become the part of your long-term memory, LTM. So information combined with the interest, so information combined with interest and emotion is equal to the long-term memory. So but the problem is that sometimes there are informations, there are the datas, we do not take any interest in it. So we have the information but we lack interest or emotional involvement into that topic or the data. So how can we remember that? There is another formula to make that information the part of our LTM. That is information plus repetition is equal to LTM. If you repeat that information for a number of times, for example 10 times, 12 times or 50 times, ultimately that will become the part of your long-term memory. So there are two methods to make a data into your long-term memory, the part of your long-term memory. First is information plus emotion or interest is equal to long-term memory, and second method is information plus repetition is equal to long-term memory. I hope this information will be very helpful to you. Okay, take care.